390 subscribers just in 3 days. Sounds crazy, right? But it's true. Let me tell you how I was able to get 390 subscribers in 3 days. Let's go. Guys, I'm going to share you my experiences and how I was able to get 300 subscribers. You yourself can do it. So guys, without talking much, let me share you my story and also the mistake I made while growing my channel. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're just coming to my YouTube channel, thank you and you are welcome. And if you're a returning viewer, I really love you and I appreciate you. Okay, so guys, let me tell you my experience on YouTube. Yes, for a very long time I've been making content. I've been creating content, different content, especially on Facebook, TikTok. But then I was just there struggling. Nothing was actually working for me until one day I was just watching videos on YouTube, and then I came across this post. So it says, start up your YouTube channel today and you will never regret it. So the person pointed one or two things of which I found it very helpful. So I decided to go on my own journey, yes, on YouTube. So I started my YouTube journey. What was I doing? I was doing short videos, yes, YouTube shorts. And then, yes, it was actually working. I was getting subscribers, I was getting views, but not every of the videos are really making it. It's not like they were getting much views. So then, at some point, I bumped into another video saying, let me show you how much YouTube Short paid me. So I started checking and I discovered that they were just little. You should, like, before YouTube Short can make you a whole lot of money, you should be getting over 1 million views, 3 million views, 300, that type of views, and look at me, I just started. I was just getting 100 views, 1k views. What's come towards, like, the highest I could get them was just 2k views, of which I know that one day, anything can happen and I can get to that, point. But then, it's not something you can just, start up and just get it. Okay, you have to work and work and work. So I was just doing my normal reaction video. So after I bumped into that video, I said, no, it's not going to be helpful. So I started making my inquiries. I discovered, okay, let me try personal videos, all these vlog and all that. But then I wasn't having that. I'm always an indoor person. I don't have much experiences. I don't go out. I don't have much friends. So what is there to put on? Put up. So I just left that one. And mind you, this is now making it 2 YouTube channel I created. That one did not work out. So I made sure that I took my time to go into, on YouTube to check things that maybe long form videos that I can do. So I went into this person talking about faceless YouTube channel. I said, okay. I went deep into it. So I said, okay, what will I do? I don't want to, come up and then start doing some things that I cannot finish off. So I decided to go into storytelling, like these animation videos, African folktales, yes, African folktales. So I ventured into the, the video. I created a page, I created a post for it, and then the first video I made, listening very well. The first video I made that day, I created like over 3 videos, and then I posted it. Like, I was just giving it just, okay, 2 hours before I can start, before I post the next one. If I post now, I'll post it. So I discovered that my first video got me 600 and something views. Maybe 1 or 2 subscribers. No problem. The next one, 200 and something. Jumper one, 100 views. So it wasn't just giving me what I wanted. So I went back on YouTube and I searched. So I bumped into all this fat girl, like all this storytelling about fat girl, how people hated her and all that. So I discovered that video really did well on that channel. So I said, okay, let me recreate this video. I did. As a matter of fact, that same day I made that video and I posted it. Guys, guess what? Within a day, that video made me 28k views. Like, how will I put it? Like, okay, at some point it wasn't up to that, okay, but that video, when the next morning I checked this video, because in fact I just said let me just recreate that video and whatever will happen will happen. I discovered in the morning I was getting 7k views, like some subscribers. That thing gave me the morale to recreate another video using that same whatever. I recreated another video, okay, concerning the fat girl and all that, and that video gave me, these two videos within 3 days gave me 390 subscribers. Guys, can you imagine? The second one got about 22k views and 120 something likes. I was like, wow, I've arrived, you know. So I started creating. That really motivated me, so I started creating my content. I started making, you know, videos back to back. But guess what? Let me shock you. Those videos did not even go 1/4 of what that, like, the 2 previous videos made. Like, I didn't even get up to 300 views in my folktale channel. I didn't get up to 200 views. I was like, wow, what is happening? I kept pushing and pushing and pushing. Then what was the outcome? Okay, I started pushing and pushing. I tried my best. It wasn't working. That was the only thing that discouraged me. Now, let me tell you the mistake I said I'm going to share with you guys. The mistake I made, of which I wouldn't want you people to make that same mistake, was giving up. I gave up when I should have tried, when I should have, you know, continued, you know, checking the problem, where I was doing wrong, how I was able to post the other ones that really gave me, you know, views. I didn't do all those things. I didn't do all those things. All that was in my head was quit. All that was in my head was just quit. I told myself, Kiki, quit, because it's not really working. But guess what? I am back, and I am back with, you know, much energy. You see, this time around, I am not backing out. I will keep posting, even when I'm not getting views. I will keep posting and posting till the algorithm, YouTube algorithm, start pushing my videos. Now, in time I was able to make some research. Okay, I made some research and I discovered the things that can actually help me in my, you know, posting in my videos, you know, for it to start going viral. Yes. Now, I want you to like and share this video if you really want me to tell you the things I discovered that can blow up your YouTube channel, because me, I'm going to implement those things, and I want you to learn and also implement on these strategies I am going to tell you. So I am going to tell you people these strategies I will take that I discovered that will blow up my channel and that can also blow up your channel. So guys, if you want to start up a YouTube channel, you can do it. The thing is, number one, don't give up. Find a niche, okay? Find a niche. Once you get a perfect niche for your channel, be it African folktales, be it a vlog, be it educating channel or tutorial channel, anything, how to make money, how to do this, like, it will really help you. I think these are the few niches that can blow up your channel, okay? Because people are coming on YouTube searching what can give them money. People are coming on YouTube searching learning some things. People are coming on YouTube watching videos like all these animated videos. If you have a talent, hair making, if you have handwork of makeup, you can still video your handwork while braiding, while making up. Then you can put it up here, do it as a tutorial and put it there. You will see people that will come and watch your videos. This is my honest truth, because my mission here is to make you people understand and to know the things you should do and how you should do it in order to get what views, and for your page to blow up, so that You can, it's a good thing that you make a video and then you see that same particular video going, viral. It gives joy. Okay, it gives joy. So guys, my next video, I've told you, I will tell you people the strategies I learned that is going to help me blow up my channel, and you too can implement them. Okay, so never give up on trying, never relent. Start up your YouTube channel today and you will never regret it. Financial breakthrough, that is what you are working towards. If you start your YouTube channel, financial breakthrough is what you're working towards if you start your YouTube channel, and if you know what you're doing. And number one is optimizing your videos, using the right hashtags, and so that the algorithm push your videos to the right audience. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe and share this video. Thank you for watching my videos. I love you guys.